Hello and welcome to this one cool video. Give me a second. Hope you guys are doing good. May peace and blessings be upon you and your loved ones. And I'm quickly like if I were to keep the this right here, you come here. So in this one video, we are going to talk about. It was a mess. I still recorded it. I was like, okay, let me take it to one shot. Anyway, unleashing day 2.2 with 5 cool videos, core strategies. Five. How many videos are we going to have in this one video? This was a very impromptu start. I just wanted to start and then start recording it. Anyways, just give me like you can fast forward like next 20 seconds. I am going to see how many videos are going to we have, and then accordingly I'm going to tweak the title of it. So you watching it, we are going to tweak it together. If you have skipped it, it's cool. You know exactly how many videos we're going to have in 2.2. Hang on. Give me like, it's opening, 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 opening. Already 90 seconds. Already, okay. So how many videos do we have in 2.2, 2.2, 2.2? We just have one video here. So we started talking about 2.0. We spoke about 2.0. 2.0 was, let's go on a short recap of like in like 30 seconds. Day 1 was all about the basics, the context, the basics, the principles, the failures and successes. Then we had the work, and then we had the goals and intentions. Then we want to day number 2. Day number 2, 2.0 was all about the skill set. Day 2.1 was all about identifying that for the whole community. Now in day 2.2, we are now going to talk about the validation part of it. Now a lot of people might they don't know. Okay, now you showed them the skill set, the things that is very essential for them to learn. Point number 1. And then you need to be identifying certain things, and based on those things, now you're going to give them. You're going to share your tactical part of it. You're going to share the secrets of yours. And when you do all that cool thing, then now you are going to move them into a different direction. For me, in the Academy of Mindset is the core business game plan. What we have something called validation. It's like, okay, if you now that you've figured that out, I'm going to give you my formula that I've created over a period of time. Again, it comes with experience, knowledge, expertise, and the more you help people, you will be able to formulate your own business. You will be able to have that lens for you. It's like, okay, if I do this in a specific manner, what's going to happen? I'm going to get a specific result. Now, that lens is equals to the formula, is equals to the validation part of it. It has to come purely from you. If you don't have it yet, give yourself a time. Give your time some space, give you time that experience, knowledge, and over a period of time, you will be able to develop that validation process, that formula that once you hit, when you go anything that you do. For example, if you want to get those abs, you have tried multiple diets, you have tried multiple workouts, but then after accumulating and going through the journey of yourself, you'll be like, okay, I did this, it not worked out for me. When you do this, it worked like magic for me. It's like, what are those things? Make a list of those things. Now that, in essence, becomes your formula. Now people who are going to resonate with you are going to apply that and going to get themselves the result. Now it might not necessarily be your own formula. It might be your mentor's formula. You can share that. But what will happen is one piece of that mentor, one piece of that mentor, one piece of that mentor. What will happen is over time it will become your formula. But what will happen is it's someone else's formula. They're sharing that, and you sharing that, you give them that credit. So validation. Now that you have helped, now share the formula. Your formula that will validate and give them courage and confidence. Your method, which works, that formula. They got confidence, courage. They work to work on themselves now. There's more on the lens of your specialty part of it. So what is that one formula? Once people have identified, for example, when it comes to like the same example, like we are going to wrap it up. Like this is going to be a short video, though we had like 2 minutes of context setting, 2 minutes of me searching the book, and then you being here. The more lessons of this video will stay for like 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. But the essence, the bottom line of this one video is you are going to share your specific secret over here. Okay, now I have found out that I want to become great at ancient Urdu calligraphy. Okay, now how do I even start doing it? You share your formula. Like, how did you even start doing that? I want to speak very fluent in, for example, German language. I have zero idea how you started. How did you learn Spanish language? How did you learn any of the language? Like, what is that core key principle that is going to help me when I use that formula, that tactical part of it is going to give me results? Like, what is that one thing goes over here as the validation formula? In other words, like, this video is going to be validation / formula for you. That brings us to the conclusion of this video. Thank you so much. Relatively very short video. If not for these arranging of the books, it would have been just 3 minutes of a video. Thank you so much for making this video me the topic of part of video. I am going to see you in another exciting video. This book was a gift from a dear member of mine. The birthday gift 17th May, and today is 15th May. This gift came like 2 days back. Already my birthday week started. So thank you so much. And I am going to kind of showing off this one book. Find your way. Haven't yet started reading it. Probably next couple of days I'll start reading it. But it's a great book. The cover is great. The content is great. I'm going to now write so many things within the book and make it own sort of a thing, because I like to own things. And if you see this book, I've got like so much of coloring and stuff. I like to read the book and then consume the book, and then color it and own the book in a lot of ways. Thank you so much for making this video part of your day. I'm going to see you in another exciting video. The next video I'm going to record is Unleashing Day 2.3. So Unleashing Day 2.3, what you can do is search for Unleashing Day 2.3. Just check Unleashing Day 2.3. You will go to the next video. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you there. May peace and blessings be upon you and your loved ones.